I'd welcome everyone to what I hope will be a social and entertaining evening presented by Breascott School Board. Just to give you a bit of background into what we're trying to do, I, for myself, am the chairman of the school board. The board is made up of 4 parent members and 2 co-opted members. These consist of myself, Don Cowell, Angus Fraser and Joan Chisholm, and the 2 co-opted members are Angus MacDonald and Sean Mackay. The first thing I would say on behalf of the board is to thank our teaching staff for all the work they do in 2 years. We're very, very fortunate to have the staff and the caliber of staff that we have in the school. It's just a pleasure to be working with them as a board and to the children as well. So you've got a lot to love Tonight, what we're trying to do is we'll have a quiz, first of all, which is the school P7 team against our community team. And the 5 you see here are supposed to be the most intelligent 5. That's what I've been told. After the quiz, there's teas in the community centre, and also the school is open so that you can see what's been purchased by the school through money raised through the school board fund day. That money that was raised at the last school board fund day reached £1,279, which was a fantastic achievement for a small community. What was purchased through that was a complete reading program which ranged from P3 to P7, a geography program which again goes from P3 to P7 but can also be used for P1 and 2, although they are Gaelic mediums. The geography takes in wall maps which are very expensive, a globe and things like that. There's a history program as well which is going on from P1 to P7. The flip chart which you see here is also purchased from school board funds. And there's still £300 worth of goods outstanding which unfortunately hasn't arrived in time. But you'll see that for yourselves after the quiz when you go down into the school. You'll also see the schoolhouse which has been refurbished. And there are 2 new classrooms and a staff room. So after the quiz you can go either for tea or to the school, and I hope you all don't go to one place at one time, but you mix it about. So I want to introduce the teams, and that is from, I don't know if you watch Bruce Forsyth or if he's still on, I'm not sure. But Miss Ford helps him. So tonight we've got Miss Ford coming in, and she is your hostess with the mostess, as you'll see. So I'll hand it over to him and she can introduce the teams for you.
Well, I don't have an English accent, so this will have to do. Right, I'd like to introduce the team, but it's second law. First, attention, class kids. Otherwise known as Superman. And he's always there when there's disaster or there's any danger. And believe you me, there's danger. I've been about to bought a new car. And he's usually to be posed down on the matter. To keep him up class. So the short knack. Sehr kennig die Jochen. Sehr knackig die Jochen. Ach, det är miljoner till skål. Voilà, c'est brut. Utan Harry Lauder. Men det är inte en av dem något stort mira. Du vet inte du bäst än ord som jag säger. Det är nog så jag inte kvar det på. Nu, då går vi. Då går vi. Jag tror att jag tar det.
Correct. I have to ask you to keep quiet. You mustn't help them. I think you should help them.
Second move.
Now, you will start one. Marianne, your question. What two countries can provide you with a view of the Victoria Falls? I guess. No. Simon, what two countries can provide you with a view of the Victoria Falls? No, I guess at that one. No. Can you have a combined effort?
South Africa and Zambia. Zambia needs that. Used to go on. I don't know what's gone now.
Are they worth a point for all?
Zimbabwe.
Zambia?
Zambia. That's good. That's easy for me. But these hundreds of easier.
One question. Name the 5 continents of the world. Correct.
I must protest.
Which river flows through Rome?
Thank you, Ian.
No, What was it?
The title was right.
That's correct. That's your question, Ian. Sherry?
Is he getting that?
Oh, yes.
Yes, is he getting that?
Oh, I think so. In which country would you use dollars for money? Correct. Ian, your own question. Which country is the world's largest supplier of nickel?
Nickel, Argentina.
No. Callum, can you have a guess at that one? Have a guess? No. It's Canada. Which Scottish region would you find Aberdeen? Okay, very lucky. Very lucky there. Neil, what is the name for the white ball in snooker? Cue ball, well done. O'Callaghan, whose autobiography is entitled Faster, A Wizard's Day? No. Neil, do you know? Whose autobiography is called Faster, A Wizard's Day? No? Now I guess? No. I'll go to you for a bonus if you for a team. That's the thing. No. Neil was very close. That was a very good guess. It was Jackie Stewart. I guess. Have a guess. Quickly. No. Alter. Alan, to your own question. What sportsman might use, and I hope I get this right, a mashy niblick?
Gopher.
Correct. 2 points. Simon? What sport do you associate with Murray? Rugby, correct. 2 points. Marianne? Does tennis service begin in the right or the left-hand court? Wrong. And I can't pass that over. Why was Willie Miller on the news recently? Have a guess? No? Angus?
He was the manager of Aberdeen.
That's correct. A bonus point. Your own question. What do wet Formula One tires have that dry ones don't have?
10.
Correct. 2 points. Alan, good question. What ice dancing duo are at present on a farewell tour of Scotland? Any guesses? No. Ian? Thorland in a bonus point there. What trophy is at stake in an England-Scotland rugby union match?
Calcutta.
Correct. One we lost from Saturday.
That's right.
2 points.
That's the end of that round.
That's the end of that round. That was a good round for the community team.
Am I right, Nish? Have me cast?
Who was the last Viceroy of India?
0.5.
Correct. 2 points. Callum, whose tomb was discovered by Howard Carter and Lord Carnarvon? Correct. Tomb of Tutankhamun. Angus, who did Winston Churchill succeed as British Prime Minister at the outbreak of World War II?
Shameful.
Neville Chamberlain, is I here? Oh yes, I'll give it to you if you're within 20 years. Yes. Oh, I think we'll give you 2 points. It was 1856. Simon, what is the name of the Stone Age village that was discovered in Auckland? No? Marianne? For a bonus, what was the name of the Stone Age village discovered in Auckland? No? Do you know what a team? Will we give them a point? Which is the oldest dated building in Stornoway?
You mean a deep printed on it?
No, the oldest
The
building.
oldest building store.
No. Nothing. A bonus, the oldest building is Norway. No. Any of you know?
No, come back here.
The Lewis Hotel. No. Haythorpe Wall. Yes. Can you give me where it goes to or from? Ulster?
Solely.
No. No. I will give the school 1 point for the border. And the whole answer is Carlisle to Newcastle. Hit the throne of Scotland at the age of 6 days. No? Neil, do you know your intelligence? Any guesses? Do any of you know? Any of you know?
James II.
No, it was Mary Queen of Scots. Neil, your own question. Who did Flora MacDonald help to escape? No? O'Connell? Bonnie Prince Charlie, a bonus point there.
Don't have to wait on for
The battery equals last.
Oh,
39 to the school and 76 to the...
Who is the leader of the Labour Party? Tony Blair. Which long-running show did ITV decide to act last week and why?
Spitting image.
Correct, 2 points.
Why?
Oh, and why, yes. Why?
Your answers are back.
They should come along here then. No. No. So we're losing viewers. 1 point.
1 point.
Yes. What is the name of the boat which is to replace the silver? Correct. 2 points.
Why?
One out of 10.
Name 2 of the 3 footballers arrested over match fixing allegations.
Bruce Rollard. John Patch.
Correct. Do you know the third one?
It's that goalkeeper, I'm saying.
Yes, Hampton. Country is the Lewis boy Hal Murray held hostage. Good. 2 points there. Who arrested the Estai and why? Who arrested the Estai? I hope I pronounced that right. E-S-T-A-I. Who arrested the Estai and why?
The Canadian government official.
Correct. 2 points. Executive of the Western Irish Islands Council. Correct. Which Scottish village's water was contaminated with its own sewage last week? You sure? Yes, it was 3-5. School team again. Which Scottish island are they building a bridge to at the moment? I've got it over.
What do you think? Sky!
What racing festival was on last week, and which horse won the big race?
Cheltenham. Gold Cup and it was won by
Do you know the name of the horse that won? No. One last chance. No. Master Oates.
47 to the school and 45.
Shown this time, and the first one goes to the community and it's Ian this time. Can you sing the first verse of this song to let us know who the bard was with last night? You'll get some background music to help you. To tell us who the bard was with last night. Excellent.
2.5 points.
Yes, it was Paddy Allen the bard was with. Right, now over to the school team. And Neil, I'll start with you this time. Who is the bride in the song? The song that you hear in a minute, hold on. Nice, ready?
I didn't get singing in school.
Right, can you listen to this tape and tell us who the singer is and what is the name of the game?
All together.
Alright, you've got enough of it anyway. Happy Louis? Do you know who the singer was there? And what the name of the game was? No? Do any of you know?
We got point for it.
No.
Yes. Singing the song. Or solitude.
I'm the singer.
And you will.
No.
Here's a question. Oh, that was your own question. I'll wait till the end till I see you. The group and what they are gathering in this song. Right, do you know the name of the group? Angus, Pastor Noel, Roderick, and the Barney. What will I do here? We'll give them one each. I have to keep my eye on the scoreboard.
Well, the lawyer used to do it. Yeah, there's a lawyer, they were two eyes on.
Marianne. Name the instrumental music that you're about to hear. The name of the Simon for a bonus. I'm sure you know that tune. Yes, you do. No? No, you're not going to get it. Do the seen Andrew Wright? Do you know what I want? In the island in this song. The master plays to place and up tune. Franco, correct. Can you go back? Let us know where the bar was. Ian can help you. Do you know the bard and the name of the song? We won't ask you to sing. We don't want everyone to go quite yet. No good ferry, you sorry, over here. No. No more Corona. No, no point there. Correct, 2 points. Can you identify the music? Can you identify that? It's a theme tune. I hope I'm alright here. Any idea from the crew team? No. The theme tune is a local hero. Pass that over for Amores. Dark Island. I'll finish off with one quick round on comparing, and you change codes at the end of the cross-channel ferry routes. Correct? 2 points. What would you expect to buy in a florist shop?
Yes, that's right.
2 points. What title did Tony Benn renounce? Correct, 2 points. What does BBC stand for? Correct. Two men disappeared in 1974. Can you name them?
You're doing what you want.
Yes. Another one?
Astronaut.
Correct. Well done. What sport does Nick Faldo play? Correct. 2 points. Who was voted European Footballer of the Year in 1968?
John Crooks.
No. Carry on, I'll give you another go.
Bobby Charlton.
Take it back down.
George Best, well done, Brian. One must watch a lot of
He was an idol.
Let's see if we can find a question with a pin up for you, Daddy. 1900. The month was December. The name of the relief boat was the Hesperus. On which group of islands did 3 men disappear? Correct.
673.
Correct. Correct. Who is the Chief Constable of Strathclyde? In the news recently, that might be. Yes, correct. Leslie Sharp. The school is open for you to go down and have a look.